From smartphones to electric cars, lithium-ion batteries have become the backbone of our modern tech. But could a new player on the block, nuclear batteries, soon replace them? Let's explore the potential of nuclear batteries and see if they might be the future of energy storage. Nuclear batteries, also known as radioisotope thermoelectric generators, generate electricity using the heat released from the decay of radioactive isotopes. Unlike traditional batteries, they don't rely on chemical reactions but instead use nuclear decay to produce power. These batteries have been used in space missions for decades due to their long-lasting energy output and reliability in extreme conditions. So, what makes nuclear batteries so special? For one, they have an incredibly long lifespan. While lithium-ion batteries typically last 2 to 3 years, nuclear batteries can last decades without needing a recharge. Another advantage is their high energy density. Nuclear batteries can provide a steady power output with a compact size, which is ideal for applications where space and weight are critical. And they can operate in extreme conditions, from the cold vacuum of space to deep-sea environments where traditional batteries might fail. However, nuclear batteries aren't without their challenges. Handling and disposing of radioactive materials safely is a major concern. The potential environmental impact and regulatory hurdles make it difficult to use them widely on Earth. Additionally, the cost of producing nuclear batteries is significantly higher than lithium-ion batteries. The complexity of manufacturing and the need for specialized materials contribute to their high price. Currently, nuclear batteries are used in space exploration medical devices and remote sensing equipment where their longevity and reliability are crucial. In the future, we might see them used in advanced robotics or remote locations where traditional power sources are impractical. But for everyday consumer electronics, lithium-ion batteries remain more practical due to their lower cost and ease of use. So, will nuclear batteries replace lithium-ion batteries? Not likely in the near future. While they offer impressive advantages, the challenges of cost, safety, and environmental impact keep them from being a mainstream option for now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the latest tech developments.